Hey, it's Greg Luther, and welcome to today's morning meeting. I'm excited to be with you today. We're going to talk about how you pick up luxury level clients. Frankly, this type of approach is going to work for picking up any individual niche type of client that you're looking for. Many of you know we do a lot with target marketing, getting mailing lists or marketing lists that we can market to in several different ways. Today is really going to blow your mind. I wanted to show you some cool information here on the morning meeting. I want to share my screen with you here because I wanted to show you one of the brokers we use and more importantly, how we use them. So what I have in front of me here, let me share my screen where I can show you, is a company called Exact Data. Now, if you've been following our Inner Circle coaching for a while, and I know most of you watching this, you're members with Greg Luther Inner Circle Coaching, we got you closing tons of business. One of those tools that we utilize is these mailing list brokers that are out here. So the one you see here is Exact Data. You can use any one that you want, but I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of how you can pick up some very good quality clients. I show everybody how to market on Facebook and to get your ad or your video or your topic directly in front of the type of prospect you're looking for. Today, let's talk about luxury real estate clients. How would I put an ad on the Facebook newsfeed of every single luxury client in my city? Is that even possible? Or in my county or in my state for that matter, if I wanted to? Well, what you'll see over here, this is real easy. Or you want to go to people or do you want to go to businesses? Well, we want to go to people. We're going to choose our county, and hopefully you can see where I'm clicking here. And I'm going to put in Franklin County in Ohio, which is Columbus, Ohio. So I'm going to put in Franklin County, and you can see here it says county. So I'm scrolling down to Ohio. So this is Franklin County, Ohio. It's in alphabetical order. So I click on that, okay? Want all the people in Franklin County, Ohio. I'm trying to get a list together. So that's the geography. I'm going to go over here to the demographics, okay? One that I'm looking for, I could go with most popular or home and mortgage or propensities or the type of automobile they own or how many automobiles they own. I'm going to home and mortgage. And I could go by when they purchased. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go by home market value. And I want all of the homes in Franklin County that are $1 million and above. And of course, we want the homeowners. Length of residence. I don't want people that moved in 1 or 2 years ago. I want them to have been there at least 40 years. Okay, so I'm going to add that in, or 40 years, 4 years. I want to make sure they've been in there at least 4 years. Okay, dwelling type. Well, I definitely want houses. Okay, and doing that, here is 1,872 leads. Let me get this out of the way. 1,872 leads. Every one of these is $1 million home in Franklin County. I can acquire, they give you a little sample here. It doesn't give you the whole address, but I can acquire this entire list for $168. Now, by the way, if I use this little promo code, I get 15% off. So it's really going to put me about 140 bucks. Okay. Now, what would I do with that? Well, if I buy this list, and I could narrow it down more, I could narrow it down by family size, by credit score, by net worth, by how many cars they have, by anything that you want. Golfers. I mean, you can really narrow this down. I could say, you know what? I don't want to have all of these. I just want to pay half of these, or I want to buy this many of these, or whatever. It's a sliding scale. In my case, I would take all of these. I want their email address and or their phone number, because I can, let me tell you what I'll do with this. Let me get rid of this here. So I'll stop my screen share. I'll take those 1,872 homeowners and I'll load that into Facebook custom audience. And Facebook custom audience is going to say, hey, you loaded 1,872. We found out 1,820 have a Facebook page. Do you want to advertise in front of them? Yes, I do. Take this ad and put it in front of those 1,820 people. That's how we build our business. That's how I found you. If you've ever been on my Facebook page or you've seen my Facebook ads or whatever, it's because I found realtors, and more importantly, propensities, realtors that are looking to increase their income, willing to invest in themselves to increase their income. I start narrowing all of that down. You can do the same thing, buyers, sellers, whatever the case is. The example I'm giving you here today, everybody would say, well, how would I find the Facebook page of the $1,800 million homes that are in my county? Just found them. Couple of clicks. We hadn't been going 1 minute, and I showed you exactly how to find them. Now you acquire that list, you buy that list, rent it from them, you load it into Facebook custom audience, And every single day, you've got new ads in front of these people. And those 1,820 homeowners, the luxury owners in your area that own homes from $1 million to $20 million, they're seeing your ads all the time. You are the famous realtor in their mind, and it costs less than a penny, 1 cent, a penny, even with inflation, a penny to market to them, to retarget them. If I can get them to click on an ad, I can retarget them with other ads. Facebook automatically pixels them. We teach all of this stuff inside Greg Luther Inner Circle Coaching. You don't need to understand technology. I never said anything about technology. We clicked a couple of buttons there, said, here's what I'm looking for. Please send it to me. They send you an Excel file. Stop me when you need technology. They send you an Excel file. You then have whoever your ads manager is, whether you have somebody doing it or you're paying my team to do it. We have the done for you marketing with Famous Agent. You just tell them, please put this ad in front of all of these people, and they do it. The last thing you want to do is figure it out yourself. You do not need to do it. There are pros out there that will get you in front of multi-million-dollar sellers. That's what you want to be doing. You don't want to be figuring out how the hell pixels work on Facebook. That's not a good use of your time. What you do want to do is have somebody qualified and competent that knows how to build this for you, do it for you, so you're going out meeting with clients on a daily basis. So it's really easy. You can go in and click around on this. If you want to go with boat owners because you want to sell waterfront, if you want to go with people that subscribe to Golf Digest because you want to sell golf course properties, if you want to go to 55 and older because there's a 55 and older community that's paying you a 4% co-op now. If it's whatever it is you're looking for, a mailing list broker will allow you to do it. Then you have to have a good message that you put in front of them. Those of you that are members with Greg Luther Inner Circle, go through all of the different ads, the examples, the training recordings that we have on there. Say, okay, I can copy this. I can do this myself. But now you're getting the message in front of the right people. You don't need billboards. You don't need to buy magazine ads and newspaper ads and all of that stuff. That is not needed. All you need to do is get the right list and market to that list. I just showed you for $140, you can have a list of all of the millionaire properties in your county. Come on. It is truly that easy. Now, by the way, you saw in there, you could do 500,000 and above. You could do $1 million and above. You could do 300,000 and above. You do 300 to 400,000. You can choose whatever you want. You can go into propensities. You can find people that are on a golf course. You can find waterfront. There's tons of mailing list companies available. You have to understand how to utilize this in your business. You are not a real estate agent. You are a marketing specialist. It's just required that you have a real estate license to do what it is that we do. Get the right quality list, market to those people the right way. You are the top producer in luxury real estate. Hopefully that's helpful for you today. That's our topic for today's morning meeting. If you are not a member with us, you better be reaching out to us. By the way, let me ask you this. What did you think about this topic? Have you ever done this before? Do you like the idea? Are you going to do some research on it? Let me know in the comments down here what you think about this, doing that target marketing approach. Hopefully you are following our YouTube channel here and you ring the bell to turn on notifications. It's going to notify you every time we have a new video coming out. I want to be doing some walkthroughs and examples for you, helping you as much as possible. And obviously, those of you that are Inner Circle coaching members, you can go in and actually download the resources, the examples, the sales letters, the postcards, the scripts that you need to start generating lots of business for yourself. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this target marketing approach and narrowing down exactly who you're looking for? I'll plan on talking to you soon. I'm Greg Luther, and bye for now.